Hey guys, Cold Dude 7 here, and today we're playing Roblox. So we're gonna play FNAF Survival, and that movie. We don't know whether we're gonna make it, so let's just get into it. Alright, we're here. Look at me. Look how I look like. You see how I look like? I'm like a boss. This is me. So, I'm just waiting. Waiting. Alright, round starting. Okay, I think I know where I want to go. I want to go up here. No. Guys, help me. Yes, you. I thought I was gonna die. They're lucky. They're very lucky. I don't want to do this. Ooh. I am strong. Yeah! I have 10 points now. I really want... Oh, look, here's a balloon. Arch Park. Okay. Next round is Arch Park. Oh, okay. Well, everyone says to go up there, but that's a bad idea, really, to go up there. It's really a bad idea. Yeah, she's doing it right. No. Guys, help. Okay, she wasn't doing it right. Okay, I think the water's leaving. Okay, yeah, that was a good idea. Guys, the tree. Yeah, hurrah! Here's my name. Yeah! Look how I named myself. This is me. I couldn't put the D, so it can be like Dude, Cold Dude 7, so it's gonna be Cold Dude 7. See, I always like to be here. Hey, I'm just gonna stand in your head, never mind. This is my favorite place to stand in. See? This is perfect. Yeah, 24. So I'm just gonna die on purpose. Alright. So I can buy something. Parachute. 50. I can't buy nothing. Castle. Just the least I can do. Go all the way up there. I would like to go up here. It's fun. But sometimes it falls. Because it's so big. Guys, no. Guys, I survived. Guys, I'm in another round. Yay. So at least it's gonna come be in my video. So yeah. Here's a lot of subscribers. I hope I can get some subscribers. Before I end this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Don't worry, I'm not gonna end the video right now. My favorite spots. Yay. Alright guys, so Lisa's here. Say hi.
Hi.
That was not me.
Yes.
What?
I don't see something. Hi.
Turn down for what?
Really? In my video? I killed myself on purpose.
Sorry.
Why? Oh my gosh, I gotta get the parachute quick. Parachute. Oh, yes! I finally get the parachute. Bring a copier. This dude is a cop. Oh my god.
So, this guy hacked me. I just
I-
found out.
I hacked him.
I'm not gonna hack him right now until he gets better clothes.
I have 0 Robux because I bought this. These clothes.
Be right back.
Okay. Guys, I finally bought the parachute. Whee! I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah! Guys, help me. Help me. No! The parachute didn't work. Nah. I have 0 Robux. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm in a fortress. Yay, fortress! Yay! Oh my god! Yay! 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 Hooray! No! No! Why? No! This is so bad! No! 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 I don't like this game. I do like this game. Yeah, nobody survived. I only survived. Nobody survived. Yay! Yay! I'm gonna click for him. Yay! No! No! Oh, that's stop. Help me. Okay, I hope the parachute works. Woo! Woo! Yeah. No! Woo! 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 Listen. Hey! I want those other people to. Oh wait, I want to be the only survivor. Oh my god, I want to die. I want to be the only survivor. Yeah, he died. If they die, hooray. Oh no, I wanted to be the only survivor. This won't work. It won't work. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm a little blue man. Just kidding. Gosh. This dude is a copier. Still not gonna friend him. Guys, I only friend people who are my fans. So I only have one subscriber. You know who's my other subscriber? It's Solis. He's my other subscriber. He commented on my first video where I hacked him. He said, "Yo, see." Oh my god. I don't know what I'll see. I'll see a crazy town. Yeah. I'll see robots. I'll see a lot of robots. No! I better run. Go this way. Alright. Alright, guys. I don't know where Solis went. Oh gosh. Yay. What's his name? Jeffrey 21318. Horse Park. No, I wanted to die. I'm gonna die in this one. So I'm gonna go choose to be here. Okay. So I think it's a safe place now. Because a lot of people went here last round. Oh yeah. It is safe. Yay! Okay, I want to die on purpose. Yeah. Yeah, I want a quick potion. So, I'm just gonna have one last round and then I'm ending the video. Right, guys? This is the last round. Last round. Okay. All right, now. I wanna help, guys. I'm going to the other one. Whee! Okay, that was doomed. Okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!